Hi and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we're doing a really quick experiment that's going to allow us to see sound. So for this experiment, we're using just really simple materials that you likely already have around. We're going to start by taking a tube and we're going to put some saran wrap around it and then secure it with an elastic. You can also use a balloon for this if you want, if that's what you have on hand. Make sure that it's nice and tight by pulling on all the sides so that it's got a really nice flat top on there. Now we're going to take a piece of thin cardboard. You could also use a piece of paper for this step. And all we want to do here is make a little lip that's going to hold the salt in place so it doesn't dance right off of the top of our plate. So once it's secured, grab a little Bluetooth speaker and fit it inside of the tube, and then grab some salt. We added a little too much salt here. Less is more, so you can see those designs that the sound is going to make. Now grab a tablet and a tone generator app. There's lots that are free, and watch sound. For more details on how to do this experiment with your classroom and build it into a lesson plan, visit steampoweredfamily.com. Bye for now.